how to change the size of the files and also the orientation that you view them within a folder in Windows 10. So from within the folder that has the files that you want to change the view of, go ahead and select up at the top within File Explorer on the View tab. And then from here within the Layout section, you're going to be given a list of different options. Right now we are on extra large icons, which is what I usually use when I'm making videos, so it's easier for you, the viewer, to see them. So what we can also do is small icons, which makes it much smaller. We can do tiles, which makes tiles. We have large icons, list, content, medium icons, and details. Now usually whenever I'm not making a video, I'll leave it in details, just because then you have different columns that you can sort the files by. So for example, right now we have it sorted by, I believe, date modified, or I don't believe it's sorted in any manner. But if I click on the date modified option, it will then sort it by the date modified from newest to oldest. If I click on name, it will sort it alphabetically. You notice that this example got put in place of this example. We can sort it again by size as well as type, and you can also add additional features here, such as extension of the file. So that is how you view different layouts for files within folders in Windows 10.